Do you understand Igbo? But when it's time to speak, your mouth just locks. Or you are an Igbo person but can't introduce yourself properly. You're not alone. Thousands of youths and people in the diaspora struggle to speak their own language confidently. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Not grammar overload, not confusing rules, just simple, practical, step-by-step guide that will help you to start speaking Igbo today. I'm your host, Maze Fanyechukwu, and this is Ihe TV. Step 1. Start with simple daily sentences. The biggest mistake beginners do is this. They try to learn Igbo by memorizing too many words at once. That doesn't work. The fastest way to speak Igbo is to start with simple everyday sentences. For instance, Kedu, Kedu, how are you? Kedu, how are you? The second example is Ahambo. My name is Ahambo. My name is, in my own case, Ahambo Ifanichukwu. My name is Ifanichukwu. Then the third instance is Ebe ka ị na-aga. Ebe ka ị na-aga. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ebe ka ị na-aga. Don't just read them. Say them out aloud. Practice them like this. Morning, afternoon, and night. That's how your mind starts building confidence and familiarity. Step 2. Think in Igbo, not English. If you always speak in English and then translate to Igbo, you will struggle to speak fluently. Fluency comes when you start thinking directly in Igbo. For example, instead of thinking, what am I going to eat? Then translating it, train yourself to think, Gịnị ka m ga-eri? Gịnị ka m ga-eri? Gịnị ka m ga-eri? Start small. When you wake up in the morning, say, Anwụ apụtara. Anwụ apụtara. That is to say, the sun is out. Or, Aga m eri nri. Aga m eri nri. That means I will eat. At first, it will feel strange, but that's how fluency begins. Step 3. Practice with real conversation. This is the most important step. You cannot learn how to speak Igbo without actually speaking it. Find someone, a friend, a parent, a sibling, or even online communities. Start with simple conversations. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you are learning. Let me just give you one secret. If you can practice Igbo just for 10 to 15 minutes every day, you will see massive improvement within weeks. Consistency beats intensity. Now I want to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge when trying to speak Igbo? Is it fear? Not knowing enough words? Or nobody to practice with? Drop it in the comment section. I read every comment and I will help you. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification button. Because on this channel, I will help you connect back to your Igbo identity through language and culture. Ka anyị mụkọta Igbo ọnụ? Let us learn Igbo together. I'm still your host, Maze Fanyechukwu. See you in the next video.